Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Civic battery. First, gather your tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. This prevents accidental starts and ensures a stable work environment. Disconnect any accessories to avoid electrical surges. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Always remove the negative cable first. This is a crucial safety step to prevent accidental short circuits. Once the negative cable is free, set it aside. Then, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, and disconnect it in the same manner. With both cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. First, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in place. These can vary, so take a moment to identify yours. Carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, batteries are heavy, so lift with your legs. Before installing the new battery, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with a wire brush. Now, gently place the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely. To connect the new battery, reverse the order. First, attach the positive cable to the positive terminal and tighten it securely. Then, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten that one as well. Ensure all connections are snug and there's no wiggle. Before closing the hood, give the battery a gentle shake to confirm it's firmly in place. Life's too short for cheap socks, so consider darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals. Start your car to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.